There are tons of engineers out there who are passionate about pushing the boundaries of technology. But what is the cost of becoming one of them? Instead of trying to tell you, I want to show the story of an engineering team preparing for a year-long competition for one moment. In order to create great engineering projects, you need to work diligently. But it's not enough. You need to be a part of a team including hardworking people like you. That's where I've been. During my last year at college, I had the opportunity to work with an exceptional team of individuals in just one room. We dedicated to design, build, and test whole model satellite from scratch within 1 year. This whole procedure is for a competition called Cansat. It's a college-level model satellite competition organized by American Astronautical Society and sponsored by giant corporations like NASA. This was the most significant priority in our lives, so we sacrificed everything, literally everything. We slept on couches, spent less time with our girlfriends and families, and ate junk food all day long. Of course, we were enjoying so much in the process, but at the same time, we were working like startup trying to build a multi-million-dollar company. Therefore, after we left, we immediately getting down to business.
You can still go, even when you feel slow, you can still go, even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go, 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 yes, go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear a bitch, nah, I ain't complain. Just gotta switch and you can go and meditate. Anything you want, just need. Your mind's got the key ingredient.
Throughout whole development procedure of the satellite, we were also spending time to our individual projects and preparing for our midterms and finals. This was another layer that increased our workload. But all the hard times come to an end. We started to see the light at the end of the tunnel, or believe that it's the end, because shortly after, we realized that everything just started yet. After we said goodbye to our families, the journey began towards USA to represent our country and university as engineering students. It was so special for all of us because we were waiting this moment for so long. In order to become representative of your university and country, this competition requires you to rank within top 40 teams in the first stage of the competition among hundreds of applied universities globally. This requirement always reminds me the work we put into our first presentation and the compliment we got from judges.
Hocam siz ne düşünüyorsunuz?
Yorgun hissediyorum.
Yeah, we finished our presentation and we are ready for your questions.
That was excellent. I think this is probably one of the best presentations I've seen so far.
At the end of 2 days of traveling, waiting our baggage one day in the car, and driving from New York JFK to Virginia for 8 hours, we arrived at the house we rent. Building memories in this house we lived for a couple of days includes one of the best moments in my life. I feel so lucky to experience the culture of this place and have breakfast while enjoying the incredible view every morning. Competition requires teams to prepare their Cansats ready before the launch day. So we were working to assemble all the mechanical and electronic parts of the whole project to bring it to the test area. Even though we faced unexpected obstacles along the way, we overcame all the stress and passed every test stage. We were getting closer to the last phase of the competition.
Sen pardon, seni sağ salim bir götüreyim diye.
So the day has come, the most important one. As we enter launch area, we saw multiple teams putting a lot of effort to their satellites to make them ready. Meeting and having connection with team members was another great experience because seeing people like us was removing the stress and anxiety we had. I would confidently say that our team was much less anxious than other teams because we made tremendous amount of tests about mechanics, electronics and software. Before giving our satellite to the authorized people, we checked all systems and everything was just perfect. It was so natural to expect that it's gonna realize all the missions we prepare it for while descending from the sky. Just seconds left to the launch of our satellite. We put it into the rocket. All data were coming smoothly. Ground station was ready. And I started to count down.
3, 2, 1.
Olsun, sizle gurur duyuyorum. Sizi de çok seviyorum.
I will never forget this moment. Every second was so vivid when I was looking to the sky. All of the things we've experienced passed in front of my eye. Couple of minutes of search after, we found our satellite. Actually, we didn't. One of the judges found it, thanks to the loudest buzzer in the whole competition we used. When we found it, we realized that it couldn't separate the payload inside in it and hit the ground. We immediately checked the SD cards. From the data, we saw that our satellite didn't reach the expected altitude, so releasing operation potentially didn't realize because of that. But it's a still potential reason. Nobody certainly knows what happened in the sky. At least we saw that all the mission phases realized itself in the container. So the question is it the end? Does it mean a failure? Absolutely not.
Would love to see you again. So please look.
Because this is life. Luck sometimes plays a role in some moments. This is a part of reality. Knowing this thing discourages most people and they assign success to completely luck. But it's not. If you are still watching this video, you know what I mean. You know that life is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes 10,000 hours or sometimes more than this to become a successful engineer, not 10 seconds. So this is the cost of not only becoming an engineer, but becoming something in life. I feel so much appreciation to experience all this journey in my life. Of course, I would be much more happier if we ranked at the top 5 rather than 10. But I'm not sure that I would gain the strong perspective and thought deeply about the things we could improve in our design. So yes, we made the critics of our design and I demonstrated our post-flight review presentation to judges. It was an awesome experience because their solutions were enlightening for all of us. What you're getting from this video is simple, or cliche, however you wanted to call it. There is no shortcut and shouldn't be. If you are not starting what you wanted to do because of the potential failure, accept it and start. Make sure that you will fail at the beginning, but see the other side of the coin. You will start the countdown from 10,000 hours to become a master.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be